passionate, feels like an mirage. I crave new adventures, but I'm a better scared and hurt than edge. Our mission has everyone to hope, but I wonder if I'll be able to cope. Life's just one year so long, I just want my dreams to belong. SoRa is full of possibilities, and only expectancies. Anyway, everyone watching me, I'm prepared just to wait and see. I wanna go back to the place my life's always been like this. There've been tough times and strife, but I will return and burst in life. Past experiences might not rely on this mission, I'm guaranteed to fly. But when I see that risk, I see my worries fade away. SoRa's full of possibilities, and only expectancies. Anyway, everyone watching us, we are prepared just to wait and see. The most relaxing into a mercy against the sorry nice mountain. SoRa is full of possibilities, but only expectancies. Anyway, everyone walks in us, we're prepared just to wait now.